tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, we'll first spend some time in studying this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After studying this geometry carefully, I feel that the best starting point would be the center point of this circle. So I'll begin by drawing this circle, which is of radius 20, followed by drawing this circle with the same center point and radius as 30. Then I'll create this circle of radius 8, which is separated at a distance of 50 units from this center point. Then I'll create this circle of radius 15. Then I'll draw a tangential line from here to here. Then I'll copy this circle at a distance of 40 units and copy this circle at a distance of 40 units, followed by two tangential lines, and delete the unwanted part of the circle. Then with the same center point, I'll draw a circle of radius 15 and then I'll draw a tangential line from here to here. Then I'll fillet this at a radius of 50 and fillet this two parts at a radius of 30, followed by center marks, followed by dimensioning, and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. So we'll first select circle and select center radius. Then I'll use this center point, and using it as a tracking point, I would click somewhere over here. Then I'll give the radius as 20 units and hit enter. Again I'll select center radius, same center point, but this time the radius is 30 units and hit enter. Now I want to draw this circle, which is of 8 radius at 50 units from this center point. So I will select circle center radius. When it asks me for the from point, then I'll press Ctrl and right arrow and select from. Then when it asks me from base point, I click over here. Then from base point offset, I bring the circle over here, track it on the top and give the distance as 50 units and hit enter. And then give the radius as 8 units and hit enter. Then I'll draw circle, center radius, same center point, radius is 15 units, hit enter. Then I will draw one line which would be tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle like this and hit enter. Then I'll copy this circle at 40 units over here to the right. So I will use the copy command and I'll click on this circle, hit enter, give this as the base point and copy it at a distance of 40 units. Escape, again copy, select the circle to copy, hit enter, give this as a base point and a distance of 40 units, hit enter and again escape. L for line, TAN for tan, tangential to this, TAN for tan, tangential to this, hit enter. Again line, TAN for tan, click over here, TAN for tan and click over here, hit enter. Then I will type the trim command and trim the unwanted part of the circle, enter. Then I'll use circle, center radius, give the same center point and radius as 15 units, hit enter. Then I will draw one line, TAN tan, tangential to this and tangential to this, enter. Then I want to fillet this part, So I will type fillet, hit enter, click o, give R for radius and radius as 50 units. Then click over here and click over here. Again fillet, R for radius 30. Then click on the inner circle and then click on this circle. Again fillet, click on the inner circle and then on this circle. Then we use the trim command and trim the unwanted part of the circles. Then we select the whole geometry like this and we give the thickness of the line to 0.30. Then press escape. Then use the CM for center mark and click over here, click over here, click over here and click over here. Now we want to change the color of the center mark. Click over here, click over here, click over here and click over here. Then change the color of the center mark to red. Now we want to proceed with dimensioning. So we'll select linear dimensioning, center point of this, center point of this and use this as a tracking point, 40 units. Then again linear dimensioning, center point of this, center point of this, 40 units. Then give radius and click on this circle and radius is 8 units. Radius, click on this circle and radius is 15. Again radius, click on this, radius is 50. Again radius, click on this and radius is 30. Again radius, click on this and radius is 20. Again radius, click on this and radius is 30. Again radius, click on this and radius is 30. Then go for linear dimensioning, center point of this, center point of this, 50 units. Then go for radius, click over here, radius 8, click over here, radius 15. And our geometry is now complete. So friends, hope you have learned something new in this particular tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.